Meaning of intelligent design.
Intelligent design.
Intelligent design.
Intelligent design.
Intelligent design. Intelligent design is a theory that suggests that certain features of the natural world are best explained by an intelligent cause rather than an undirected process such as natural selection. In particular, advocates of intelligent design argue that complex biological structures such as the human eye or the bacterial flagellum are unlikely to have arisen through evolution alone and must therefore be due to the intervention of a designer or creator. However, this theory is controversial among scientists and many reject it as unscientific or based on inadequate evidence.